Are you in need of some space and looking for a midsize SUV? Then Ted's Auto Sales has a ride for you. Check out this 2019 Honda Passport Sport all-wheel drive. This Passport comes extremely well equipped with features such as custom cloth seats, Bluetooth stereo, dual zone climate control, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, power windows and power locks, push button start, blacked out wheels, and plenty more. It also comes with a 3.5 liter 280 horsepower engine that gives you plenty of power yet won't cost you at the pump. Don't miss out on a super deal only at Ted's for only $16,900.